Hey, this is Andy of Airhead Boxer Spirit. Have you ever wondered what makes your BMW Airhead tick? All the components and what it looks like maybe when they are cut away? Be sure to stick around to the end. There's a pretty cool BMW Airhead that we call a cutaway model where you see some of these parts in action. Imagine the amount of effort that went into creating these cutouts. Absolutely amazing. Please consider joining your local Airhead chapter and maybe come to a tech day or a super tech even, and you will be able to see these items in person. As always, if you like this content, please subscribe and shoot me a like. It helps out my small channel. Thank you so much. Did you notice a little scribble on my battery side cover at the beginning of this video? That is Hans Muth's signature. I was able to meet him at the 40th anniversary rally for this particular model, the R100RS, and got to spend some time with him, and he sat on my bike, and we're good friends now. It was a wonderful event. I'll throw up a little link to the video here if you want to check it out.